In this video, you will learn how to use the Scribit.Pro editor to create audio descriptions and add subtitles to a video. To get started, you copy and paste the share link of a YouTube video in your dashboard. The editor will now open, and the video is embedded in the top left window. The editor consists of 4 parts. 1. The video display. 2. The text input field. Here you enter text, which will translate into speech or be shown in the subtitles. The timeline. Here you determine the timing of the audio descriptions or subtitles in the video. 4. The control buttons. Here you play or pause the video and navigate from text field to text field. By clicking anywhere in the timeline, the cursor will jump to that specific point in the video. You can add 3 different items to the timeline. 1. A subtitle, a CC block. 2. An audio description, an AD block. 3. A marker field. A marker field is an aid to indicate areas of importance. For example, you can mark a length of time where there is no dialogue, so it is clear where audio description can be added. You add a marker field by clicking the top grey plus on the cursor. The marker field can be relocated, extended or shortened, and removed. Place an AD block to the timeline where you want to create the description of what's happening on screen. The block corresponds to the text input at the top right, where you enter the text that you want the editor to translate into speech. To create an AD block, you click on the middle purple plus icon on the cursor. This will create an active text field that can be recognized by the purple bar on top of it. You can only edit the active field. AD blocks can be moved across the timeline and be removed. The length of an AD block is determined by the duration necessary to voice the text that you created. When the audio description is drowned out by the sound of the video, you can reduce the volume of the video. This button turns green when it is active. There are 3 volume reduction levels available. When someone starts talking in a video, or an important sound can be heard, you put the cursor on that point in the timeline and add an OT block there. You do this by clicking on the bottom yellow plus sign on the cursor. In the corresponding active text field, you type the text of the dialogue. You have to determine at which moment it will appear on screen and the exact duration it will be displayed. You can adjust the timing manually by adjusting the start time and end time. You can separate the 2 applications by sliding this switch bar in the editor. It will hide the timeline of the audio description or the timeline subtitles if it is not active. With this button, you can turn off the audio of the created audio descriptions in your video, and with this button, subtitles can be turned off. Choose the hamburger icon if you want to see all descriptions and subtitles in chronological order. This script is also the video's transcript you created. You can navigate from text field to text field with the arrow buttons. There are a number of keyboard shortcuts available. You can see which they are by clicking this button. The audio descriptions or subtitles that you created are automatically saved. If this button is green, your last edit has been saved. You can continue working on the video at any time by returning to your dashboard and reopening the project you are working on. When the creation of your accessibility files is completed, you can go to the dashboard and download your files.